Hi everyone, Annette Kessler here, and today I want to tell you about something new that I'm going to start. It is called Paper Perks, and you will get a weekly printable freebie that is called Paper Perk. And each week we are going to make a little project out of these printables. So you will get a one-page printable PDF file that you can download with some kind of a printable on it. And then on my YouTube channel, I'm going to have a video tutorial teaching you what to do with this printable. The printables are going to be available in a special Facebook group that you can also share your projects, ask questions, request printable themes, and basically interact with each other about everything that is Paper Perks. The files are going to be uploaded weekly to that Facebook group, and they're going to be in two sizes, 8.5 by 11 and A4, and you can go to that Facebook group, ask to join. It's going to be a private Facebook group, so you need to ask to join, and then once you're approved, you can go ahead and download the file from there. In order to be a Facebook group member, you will need to also be a YouTube subscriber, because they will be linked, the Facebook group and my YouTube channel. Like I said, the files are going to be in the Facebook group and the video tutorials in my YouTube channel. So, of course, you can only watch the videos and make the projects with your own stuff, but if you want to go ahead to the Facebook group, you will need to be a YouTube channel subscriber, and then ask to join the Facebook group. Like I said, go ahead and download the files from there, the printable. So I have the first 4 files already made. So I have these tags. It's going to be, all printables are going to be in a vintage, shabby chic, steampunk style. So if you're a fan of that, this is the place for you. These 4 really cute tags are the first Paper Perk, as you can see, Paper Perk number 1. Then we're going to have these circles that really cool. You can make lots and lots of things out of them. Paper Perk number 3 is a old newspaper page with lots of ads. It's going to be really fun working with that and creating something. And finally, a little steampunk printable that is really pretty and lovely. And like I said, each printable is going to get their own video tutorial on a project that we can make. I have already made a little junk journal here. There is a tutorial. I'm going to link the tutorial for this junk journal in the description under the video, where also you will find the link to the Facebook group. And each project is going to go inside the Paper Perk junk journal. So we have lots of pages to fill. Like I said, get your subscription for the YouTube channel. Just click subscribe button, and then the link for the Facebook group is going to be in this description under the video. Go ahead, click on that, join the Facebook group, and start downloading the file. The first one is going to be today, but the next files are going to start uploading in August. So you will have to be patient and wait a little bit for that to start. So let's start with our first project. So like I said, our first Paper Perk was these tags, and I've already cut them out. And what we're going to do is we're going to, of course, ink the edges because I always like to ink all the edges of everything that I do. It adds to the shabby chic vintage look, and I recommend printing everything on a thick paper, not a regular printer paper, because that will be too thin. So there are photo papers or other thicker printer papers that you can use. And of course you will need to remember that the colors that you see on your computer can change when you print them, and each printer is different, and each computer or device or laptop or iPad is different, so the colors may vary from what you see. Okay, so now we have them all inked. I'm going to bring my trimmer here. I actually don't need this. And what I'm going to do is score from the straight side at 1 3/4. And then again, let's fold it. And then again, score at 1 3/4. So then we have a really cute envelope here. We're going to score everything first, and then we're going to glue it. So basically we always score at 1 3/4. So I'm going to go ahead and do that and then come back. So we have all our envelopes, and what we're going to do is simply apply a little bit of glue to the side of each envelope, and then burnish it. If you want, you can also ink the inside, and then you have your envelope. You can also ink the top here. So first we score, then we fold, then we glue. Of course, you can use these tags. You can print each printable as many times as you want, and you can use each printable in other ways. You don't have to do exactly the project that I'm doing. It's just a suggestion. And you can use these tags just as tags for regular, in your junk journal, for gift tags, for whatever you want. Of course, once you cut them, there are tags. You can attach them to anything that you want, add them to anything that you want. But this is just another idea of what you can do with these tags. Final one. You can always put the glue on the sides, on the bottom, or on the middle, so it's up to you. I want to cut these edges here so it will still be a circle when I open the envelope, or half a circle, or circled, or looks like a little purse. Really cute. Okay, so now we have our 4 envelopes. Isn't that cute? You can put whatever you want in them. And let's take our paper Perk junk journal, open it in the first page. I'm going to leave the first page empty and then add my envelopes so they don't all fit in the same. Actually, nobody said envelopes need to go this way. Maybe they can go this way. So let's add 2 here and 2 on the next page. So just apply glue to the back. And then attach. You can make little tags, little notes to add. You can even print these tags again and cut them into smaller tags. You know what? Let's do that. That's why I always print more than one. So I can go ahead and cut this and then cut that into tags, little tags, and insert it. You can write something on the back, because if you print it on a white paper, there is no problem. Let's cut them. They're going to be pretty small. So this one, you can even fold them in half like this. Have a little insert. That's one idea. Or you can just trim this and make a smaller. Let's cut another one. And then we can create more little tags to insert, little inserts. Let's bring back our junk journal and see what fits. This one can go in here. And by the way, you can leave this open like this. This one can go inside here. Little notes, little secret notes that you can add. You can even cut another one. And then create a little booklet if you want. Let's bring my stapler. Now you have a little booklet. That can go in here. So now we have our envelopes ready inside our junk journal. So I really hope that you like this tutorial and that you will like the new paper perks. And this is what we have left. And go ahead, click the link to join the Facebook group and start downloading your paper perks and make really pretty projects with them. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel because you need to be a subscriber if you want to join the Facebook group. Just click on the little bell icon to be notified when I upload a new video, so you won't miss anything and you'll be able to follow all the tutorials and make all the projects. Thank you very much for joining me, and I will see you next time.